In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run TikTok ads for Shopify dropshipping step by step. We'll start right at the source. Head to ads.tiktok.com and either sign up or log in with your TikTok account. Make sure you're using a business account so you can access all the advertising features. During sign up, TikTok will ask for your business details, your business name, website, country, and initial billing information. Fill these out carefully and click continue so your account is fully set up from day one. Once you're in, you'll land in Ads Manager, your main dashboard. This is where you'll create campaigns, manage audiences, and read performance analytics. Get comfortable with the layout because everything you do will run through this hub. Next, it's time to create your first campaign. Click Create and choose your objective. For Shopify, product sales is usually the best choice because it's built to optimize for purchases. If you prefer a more general setup that still tracks important actions on your store, website conversions is a solid alternative. Give your campaign a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it later. Set a daily budget. Starting around $20 to $50 is a smart testing range. This keeps your spend controlled while you learn what works. Now set up your ad group. Choose your location, age, and gender. Aim for balanced targeting, not too broad that the algorithm struggles, but not so narrow that you limit delivery. You can layer in interests or behaviors if you have a clear customer profile, but avoid over-segmentation when you're just starting. Leave placements on automatic. TikTok will distribute your ads where they're most likely to perform. Before creating the ad, connect Shopify with TikTok so conversions can be tracked. Install the TikTok app in your Shopify store, connect your TikTok account, and set up the pixel. This enables tracking for views, add to carts, and purchases, which is essential for optimization and accurate reporting. Now create your ad. Upload a short, engaging TikTok-style video. Think vertical format, quick hook in the first 2 seconds, clear product benefit, and a visual demonstration if possible. Add a concise caption and a strong call to action like Shop Now to guide viewers. Set your budget and schedule at the campaign or ad group level, choosing your daily amount and how long you want the ads to run. Add your payment method inside Ads Manager if you haven't already. Finally, click Publish and keep an eye on performance in the dashboard. Watch metrics like click-through rate, cost per result, and purchases to guide your next tweaks. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials.